Just another day. It's a nice Monday, spring day. Today we have iPhone 6s. 6s, yeah. What's wrong with this iPhone? They replaced the back cover. We have another shop, which is our shop, but they are fixing only phones. They replaced the back cover and now the phone is here with no light. So let's get the other camera and check to see what's going on. Okay, so this is the old back cover, and I can see here some water damage signs. And this is the new back cover with the phone. The phone is open because last previous water damage. Okay, that's right. Camera connector burnout. Okay. IC for volume control not working, burnout. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what's wrong with this phone. How can be burned out? Let's check with the charger. We can 1 second. Have some sound? Yeah, it is sound. Okay, so it is sound. Sound is working. Yeah. Okay, so let's check. Let's plug the charger and see what's... Okay, so on the charger we have 1.3 amps. The phone just vibrates, but it's no picture on the screen. So let's take the screen out and try to find the problem. This can be probably the light IC or the resistors, the fuses. But we'll see now. Okay. So the screen is out. Okay, let's go under the microscope and see what's going on with the fuses. What they say the camera connector is burned out. Well, we'll see under the microscope, so let's check. Okay, so we have some sign of some burning things here on the camera connector, but I have no idea why. Let's check the fuse. See the light fuse. Okay. Okay, let's see. I never fixed the lights problem on the 6S. Well, everything has a start. So let's find this problem. Let's open the schematics. ZXW. I have iPhone 6S, 6S. Okay, no, that's, yeah, 6S. Yeah, that's the one. Oh no, this one, 6S. Okay, maybe this one. Yes. Okay, so you have the screen connector and we have here a fuse. Yeah, that's a fuse. That's another fuse. Okay, and this is another, so we have two fuses. Let's see what's going on with our fuses.
Do you know where Ash is? In London.
Let's take these black things out. Okay, that's okay. So it does blow up. One is blow up. Let's clean this area. Okay, so now we have a nice view there. Probably these things is meant to be here to make the phone water resistant. Yeah. Okay. So what do we need here? It's a fuse. that's fine. What about the other one which I just took it out? Let's check this one. This looks fine, 40 ohms. What about the schematic? So the schematic is saying so I don't think it's good. Okay, that's good. And we have one more here. Let me check with the schematic. So on the schematics we have one more here. So what is this chip? This one. Okay, what about this one? Okay, this is a capacitor and this is we have a resistor. Anyway, just let's replace the fuse and see if it's working. Okay. So main microscope. Okay, microscope. I'll use some tape. I don't want to melt nothing there, and I don't want to take the board out. That's fine. One more. That's fine. So now we can replace our fuse. I'll go with 300 degrees, maybe 340. Yeah, 340. Let's find a fuse, let's find a board. Okay. Okay. That's a nice fuse. Well, it's not a fuse. No. What about this? No. Where can I find a fuse? Okay, nice fuse, nice one. Yeah, this one, the light one. This is a nice one. Yeah, this fuse. That's for light anyway. So let's take this out. Oh, that's my fuse. Let's put the fuse there. I will use flux after. Come on, stay there. Oh, I just lost the fuse. And I found it. And I found the fuse. I think it's my fuse. Yeah, that's my fuse. Let's check the fuse. Let's check the fuse to be sure it's our fuse and it's good. Yeah, it's good. So let's use some flux. Okay. How you can lose a fuse the second time? How is possible? Well, this time it's gone forever. This time it's gone for good. Okay, let's try to find another fuse. I know it's one more here. Big one. Let's see. Okay, that's a nice fuse. Let's take the fuse out. Okay. There. Yes. Please stay there. Come on, stay there. Let's try to solder the fuse. My fuse is moving. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. I'll go up to 380. And I'll try to solder that fuse quickly. Oh, that's the wrong way to do it. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy. Fucking shit. Okay, let's solder that pin. Okay. Let's find quickly another fuse. Let's find quickly another fuse. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. So let's try now again. Okay, the fuse in some place. Let's clean the board quickly. Okay, let's dry quickly the board. Now let's check. Let's check the fuses with the multimeter. That's good, that's good. Okay. Let's go and check with the screen, see if it's working. Let's plug the charger. Staking 1.2 amps, and we have charging sign on the screen. And it's on. Yeah. So that's the hard part, to solder that small connector. Maybe I should buy like solder tweezers. Probably will be more easy. Yeah. So it's working. Okay, the volume plus is not working. And they replaced the back cover only for this reason, because the volume plus wasn't working. That means we have to find a second issue. So the volume button is not working. I think the board is okay. Yeah, the connector is fine. Oh, that means I have to take the board out? Oh, that will be long. So it's not ready yet. Okay, let's take the board out. Anyway, the light is fixed. This will be a long job. Volume buttons. Oh. think the volume buttons go to the touch IC. Well, anyway, let's check. Okay, the Wi-Fi antenna is out. We have one more screw here. Okay, let's take the board out. One more screw here. Okay, the board is out. Let's have a look on the back. Let's go under the microscope. Let's take out this shield. Okay, the shield is out. Well, let's check closely. See what's going on here. There's no really sign of water damage here. But I will try to resolder the... or maybe not. Everything looks fine here. Okay, so let's check with the schematics. See what's going on with this one. So we have the connector, this is the connector? No, it's not this the one. No, it's not this one. On this side. Okay. Let's try to see. Codec, okay. Button ringer connector. Okay. Volume up. Okay, I want this. Here is ground, okay. Volume up. So where this is going? Where is going? No, here. Maybe here. Volume up. Why is not showing me here? It's fucking waste of time. Waste of time. Where this is going? Can't even see. It's going here, and from here it's going where? Here, on this chip. Let's resolder that chip. Let's clean this area first. Let's check the back of the board. So this area is nasty. Okay, let's clean this one. Okay, let's use some liquid flux here. But that chip is soldered with it has a layer of gum of okay, that's enough. I don't want to see bubbles coming out from that chip. Solder bubbles. Okay, let's check. Let's check again. put the board back and check if the volume is working. If it's not working, we have a problem, and a big one. Let's plug the charger. Okay. And the volume plus is still not working. Volume up. Here is ground. Let's check. Let's take the board out again. Okay, let's go under the microscope. See what's going on in this connector. Let's take this out. Okay, we can see the problem. We can see the problem. We can see the problem. Water damage. Okay. Let's try to clean this. Let's try the connector. Yeah, try. Let's check closely. Because we have a problem with that volume up, I think. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, so our problem is this pin. So let's check exactly what's going on there. The multimeter. The ground and here. Then I have nothing. Okay, let's bring this in focus. I can't even bring this in focus. Okay, now it's on focus. So we have nothing here. And here, nothing here. Okay, let's check on the others. So this, nothing. We have nothing. What about here? Oh, this pin is moving. Look on this pin, it's moving. It's basically moving. This is moving also. Look, that's two pins, and this is moving. How this is possible? Let me see how this is possible. Okay. This is gone. 100% is gone. So we should try solder back or just replace the connector. You know what I think? Let's just replace the connector. Okay, let's use some flux. I'll use liquid flux. Okay. Three 360 degrees. Let's take the connector out. It's gone and my truck is gone also. Okay, let's clean. Oh, I think my pad is still there. I think my pad is still there. Looks like. Let's try to bring to the live.pad. Okay. Carefully. I think it's tricky because I can broke the pad. I don't want to break the pad. Okay, I'll leave it like that because I don't want to play with that pad. If I'll play that pad, I'll break that pad 100%. So let's find another board. Hopefully I have another board. If not, I have a problem. Okay, I have a board. But this board, it's 6. iPhone 6. But I don't care. iPhone 6. Let's see if the connector is the same. Six. Let me check if the connector is the same. Looks the same like iPhone 6. But let me see if it's the same. Okay, I'll take that connector out. Yes. I think the connector is the same. So I'll solder back this connector, which is iPhone 6 connector. Okay, let me use flux. Okay, let me go down to 250 degrees. 50. Hopefully I'll not melt the connector. Looks fine. Let's clean and check. Can't. Okay, so it is in focus. Let's clean that one. Let's check all solder, see if we soldered in the right way. Yeah. Our pin looks fine. Oh, wait, you can't see. So here you can see solder. Hopefully the connector will be the same. That will be fine. Funny, I replaced the connector, but the connector is not the same. But we'll see now. We'll see now if it's the same or not. It's not the same. Come on, you're serious? It looks the same. Should be the same. It's not the same. Maybe it is the same. Let's check. It's sitting on play, so that's okay. Let's check. Volume up, it's working. Volume down, yeah. Mute, yes. Yeah. Finally finish. Yeah. Now I'll put all back together, which is a boring thing, so what can I say? See you later. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you like the videos. Thank you, bye.